Hello, everyone, and welcome to our Tech Plus course. Today, we'll be delving into four fundamental components that underpin every computing system: input, processing, output, and storage. Let's start with input. Input is the first step in any computing process, representing the way we communicate information to a computer. This can take various forms, such as typing on a keyboard, clicking a mouse, using a touchscreen, or even speaking commands through voice recognition systems. Essentially, input devices are the bridges between users and machines, allowing us to provide data and instructions that the computer can act upon. Moving on to processing, this is where the magic happens. The processor, often referred to as the Central Processing Unit or CPU, is the brain of the computer. It takes the input data and performs a series of operations based on predefined instructions. These operations can range from simple arithmetic calculations to complex decision-making tasks. The efficiency and speed of the processor determine how quickly and effectively a computer can handle tasks. After processing comes output. Once the CPU has processed the input data, the results need to be communicated back to the user. This is where output devices come into play. Common output devices include monitors, which display visual information, printers, which provide hard copies of documents, and speakers, which deliver audio output. The quality and clarity of output devices are vital for ensuring that users can accurately interpret and utilize the information generated by the computer. Finally, we have storage. Storage is the component that retains data and instructions for future use. There are two main types of storage: primary storage and secondary storage. Primary storage, or main memory, includes random access memory, which temporarily holds data that the CPU needs to access quickly. Secondary storage refers to devices like hard drives, solid-state drives, and removable media such as USB flash drives, which store data persistently. Effective storage solutions ensure that data is preserved even when the computer is turned off, allowing for long-term data retention and retrieval. In summary, understanding the basics of computing involves recognizing the integral roles of input, processing, output, and storage. These four components work in harmony to enable computers to perform a vast array of tasks, from simple calculations to complex simulations. Thank you for joining us today, and see you next time.